Welcome to a Scopus video tutorial on how author profiles work in Scopus. In this example, you are interested in the author Alex Vecchio. You begin by clicking on the Authors tab and type in the last name Vecchio and the first name Alex. You are now ready to run your search. The search results appear on your screen. There are 2 entries for this author, each with a different affiliation. This is correct. There are 2 separate authors named Alex Vecchio in Scopus. One is a father who published at Cornell University, and the other is his son, who published at University of California. The algorithm behind the Scopus author identifier was able to recognize they are not the same person because it does not rely on names alone. The algorithm uses a combination of criteria to determine authorship, including name, email, affiliation, subject area, citations, and co-authors. The algorithm can also recognize subtle differences in how the name appears in different publications. For example, A.J. Vecchio as opposed to Alex J. Vecchio. Once the algorithm is confident it has found a group of documents written by the same author, it assigns them a unique identification number. If a document cannot be confidently matched to this unique number, it is not included in the group and is listed separately in search results. If these 2 author profiles were for the same person, you could request that they are merged. You can also request corrections to an author's information on their author details page. Author profile corrections and merges are covered in more detail in a separate video tutorial.